Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamakallah.
Yahdikum Allah. Editor, cut it out.
Actually, you know what? Sorry to cut you off. Let's not even cut out him saying, him sneezing, if that's okay.
Yeah.
Because good deeds, even the small ones,
Nice.
as long as they're repetitive. And for example, you sneeze and you said Alhamdulillah, I said Yarhamakallah. That's a good habit to have. You can expand on that, what that means, just so you guys can see small good deed, that's actually a good thing to do.
You know, when somebody sneezes, it's from the Sunnah that they say Alhamdulillah. And they have the haqq on the other Muslim that if they hear them sneeze and say Alhamdulillah, if they didn't say Alhamdulillah, then no. But if they made the hamd of Allah, is to say Yarhamakallah, to make dua for mercy for them. And then the person, they make dua back for their guidance.
Very good. يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم.